Want to land your dream job? Whether you're working currently or planning to rejoin the workforce, an additional skill can give you an advantage over others. There is nothing worse than missing out on a promotion because you lack the skill that could have been easily acquired. Research shows 87% of companies use Excel in everyday work. But the reality is that most people know only the very basics and struggle with using simple formulas, tables, and charts. Fact is, all these are easy to learn, and all it takes is just 2 days of hands-on training. Intellisoft Singapore offers just the right program to help you learn simple formulas to prepare reports, keep track of sales leads, create charts easily, apply useful functions and formulas, work with smart art creatively, use shortcuts to save time, and work on large workbooks. You'll be able to apply these key features in your day-to-day work immediately, like number and date formatting, replacing text, sorting, filtering, arithmetic operations, functions, and formulas. Our participants really find this training useful. All our trainers are Microsoft certified and possess years of experience. With the help of our knowledgeable trainers, learning is made more fun, interactive, and practical. A laptop is provided for you to practice the exercises during trainings. You can use the government funding, apply for SDF, or use individual SkillsFuture if applicable. Don't miss this opportunity. Get started now. Simply sign up on the dates listed on our website. If you need the detailed course brochure or quotation, contact us at training@intellisoft.com.sg or call us at 62962995. See you soon at Intellisoft.